How to delete AliExpress account permanently. So to delete AliExpress account permanently, first you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for AliExpress, and on the first search you will have www.aliexpress.com. Click on that, and here make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, on the upper right corner you will have account option. Click on account, and here go to settings, and now click on edit profile. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you can go to upper right corner which says deactivate account, and then on the bottom right corner you will have delete my account. Click on that, and now you will receive a 6-digit code to your email address. Go and open up your mail, and after opening your mail you will have a mail from AliExpress. Open that and you will have the code. So copy this code from here and paste that code here. After entering the code, click on verify, and now here you will have delete account option. So if you want to delete your account permanently, then you can click delete account, but for now I don't want to delete my account. But if you want to delete it, then you can click on delete account, and then your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it, that's how you delete it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.